Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, we are discuss about OpenCV and direct inputs. We already use OpenCV for convert PGR image to RGB image. Today we are convert RGB image to grayscale. So let's start. First of all, we create a function named process image, which convert our original image into the grayscale image. So process image is equals to cv2 dot convert color original image cv2 dot color bgr to gray. We are using grayscale image because RGB image contains three values, that's 0 to 255 to 255, but grayscale contains only one value. Now next, process image is equals to cv2 dot kenny. We are using two thresholds. Threshold 1 is 200 and threshold 2 is 300. So threshold 1 is equal to 200 and threshold 2 is equals to 300. Okay, 300. Yeah. Now return process image. Now new underscore screen is equals to process image original image. No, we don't need this original image. We directly call the screen. Yeah, screen. Let's comment this and write our IMShow functions for the grayscale image. cv2.imshow window cv2 dot call. No, we don't need the cv2. Directly call the new screen over here. New screen. Let's run it. Yeah, look, it's look perfect. It's look pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, all the things are perfect. Now let's go to our next topic. We get direct input. So let's import a PyAuto GUI. And create a one for loop of the. So let's create a one for loop. Print I plus 1 time dot slip 1 and yeah, print down by AutoGUI dot key down, and that's down key is W. Print, we'll use a time.sleep one by AutoGUI key down and key up by AutoGUI dot key up, and that's also W. First we write a print up above the key up, print up. Okay, everything's fine. Let's run it. Sorry, I just press a debug button. Let's run. Yeah, 4 3 2 1 up, down. No, it can't work properly, so we need to create our custom .py file for our WASD key. I already did the .py file. You just go to the description, and there you find my GitHub link. Just open it and go to my Python play self-driving car repository. There you find a direct key.py. Just copy that code. Let's create a new file, direct keys, and paste. Yeah. Now let's go to our main file. Just remove the import by AutoGUI, and instead of that, from direct keys import press key, release key, W A S N D. Yeah, and let's remove this. And next we cut this for loop. Yeah, cut and paste after the function. Next let's write print down. Print down. Yeah, print down, press key W, print time dot sleep. That's 3. Yeah, 3. Print up, release key. That's also W. Let's run it. When I press W key, then program print down, and when I release the W key, then it print up. Yeah, it's worked properly. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Hope you guys have a nice day and stay happy.